Hi, friends!
Shijing First Nation is a beautiful Ojibwe community on Manitoulin Island, in the heart of northern Ontario. Formerly known as West Bay, Shijing is a place where rich tradition, cultural expression, and natural beauty come together. Shijing is centrally located within the Great Lakes region, and sits along the north channel of Lake Huron. The area is known for its picturesque natural beauty, with lush landscapes and a tranquil bay at the heart of the community. It's a perfect spot to enjoy the serenity and charm of the island. In the mid-19th century, Anishinaabe people from the North Shore area relocated here, making Shijing their home. The community is part of the Three Fires Confederacy, which includes the Odawa, Ojibwe, and Potawatomi nations. In honor of their heritage and identity, the community proudly changed its name to Shijing. It is a wonderful place where tradition meets natural beauty, creating a vibrant community with a deep connection to its past. Whether you're here to explore the culture, enjoy the landscapes, or simply relax, Shijing offers something special for everyone.
Thanks for watching!